This video will show how you as an admin can set up customer tags. Go in here to Administration, scroll down to Manage the Customer Tags. Why would you want to do a tag? Well, it's this kind of thing that turns into very smart marketing later because you can speak to the right person at the right time with your tags. For instance, a buying behavior tag, like a luxury buyer, or perhaps a traveler profile type tag, like a solo traveler, or maybe folks that are empty nesters, or just the core travel that they do, like maybe they're a big Disney fan and they're traveling to Disney a lot, or maybe it's the timing of their travel, maybe they're spring break travelers, or perhaps you want to tag for something that's interest-based, like maybe they're into culture, history, nature, or even photography. Today I'm going to put in two new tags for buying behavior. One is for a value-focused client. So I will click here to add a new customer tag. Just type in value-focused. And then if I put in 100 here, it will just display them all in alphabetical order. Hit save. And then I'm also going to put in one for a last-minute traveler because perhaps I have people that I want to send, last-minute sale to. If I have them tagged as a last-minute traveler, I can certainly market to them very quickly and easily. Make sure to hit save. And then when you go back into your customers or your agents, they can go here under the general notes and under the customer tags, and they can mark multiple ones. Maybe these folks are empty nesters, they like last minute travel, and they're into photography. Hit save, and then even on your customer list screen here, you can also filter by those customer tags. And there we go.